In this video, I'll take you on a room tour in the Excalibur Casino and Resort in Las Vegas. We're gonna see a 2-queen room in the resort tower. As the name almost give away, there are 2 queen beds in this room. They are relatively okay, depending on what you like. 6 pillows. In the middle of the beds, there's a little stand. On the little stand, there's a lamp, and on the lamp, there's a USB port and power. The view for the room, we could see the four pools on the resort. One of the pools is adult only, but the other pools are for all ages. There's a little table, 2 chairs where you can eat, sit, count your little money. There's of course an air conditioner. There's some drawers. There's a little safe. Now the safe was broken, but normally there's a little keypad so you can actually lock the safe and store away all your winnings. We didn't win anything, so that was fine. There's of course a TV. There's not so many channels, but there is a TV. There's a closet with some hangers, place to store away your luggage, a ironing board and an iron so you can do some laundry if you would like, or look your best. Of course, there's a bathroom. Nothing luxurious here. There's a shower. You can get both hot and cold water, so a little luxurious there is. There's of course a toilet. There's a counter, there's some extra toilet paper, a sink, there are some shampoo, some conditioner, some soap, and a hairdryer and a mirror if you would like to look nice. Now, that concludes the room tour of this 2-queen room in the resort tower at the Excalibur. The prices in the room can vary from $32 until many dollars. And of course, there's always the resort fee of $39 per night. We got all the nights for free, but you need to gamble some to get those rates. Now, there's nothing more to do than hit the strip and lose some more money. See you out there.